Kumshi Bynta jo ka orientation training program ka ba arsi nak Bynta ki Nongrep Halor ka integrated pest management ha ka jingrep ya u ka ba lapan long ka jinglet jingo ba jinglet jurip hasen tuk siar jowai ha ka ni ka jinglet jurip lapan I ki rukom pen biang ki simbai ka jingbo ki jingriam la ni ki pheromone trap ka jing itho ki knyang bat ki jingpang ha ka jingrep ya u ka ba u resource person ubana ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shalom Iglaya plant protection officer Gokul Ram M ula crunch pangkani ke program bat ya ki jing ki baju kham ya kendo ha ka jing rep ya ku ba
survey in this area we found some of the pest and diseases. So to mitigate that measures we have formulated this orientation training program for farmers and agriculture officers with the help of a state department. So all the groups have been made as small groups. They have went to the field one by one. They have made the observations. The first step is called a field inspection by the small groups. They have observed, collected the pest and defenders, and they have recorded the data, number of pests and per the fields and all.